Let's explore Draw and Tell.
Duck, duck, moose.
Now that the app is open, we can explore our options. You can start with a blank piece of paper or even upload a photo. You could complete a coloring page or check out things that you've worked on in the past. If you would like to delete something you've worked on, you click
Pick
the
the
trash
drawing
can,
to delete.
click the X, and delete drawing. Let's go back and choose a blank piece of paper. Now that I'm in my canvas, I can click the corner button to reveal all of my drawing tools. Let's see what each of these tools does. The crayon, the colored pencil, the paintbrush, the texture or design drawing tools, and we even have stickers. I can move the sticker wherever I would like it to be. Click out of the box to remove the box. Now let's go along our top menu. I'm going to go ahead and choose a design that I'd like to use. I'm going to select stencils. And here I have this butterfly. I want it to be a little smaller and up a little higher. Now I can color it in with a design. When I'm finished, click the X. Reveal my menu again. The undo button obviously removes design. And the microphone will record. As you record, you can move the stickers. You can't draw while you're recording, but you can move the stickers, which is a really fun feature.
Record your voice. You can also move the stickers while you talk. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm a purple monster. Now I can play back my recording. I'm a purple monster. Go out. Click the arrow.
Pick the drawing to save to your photos.
And save this to my camera roll. From this point, if I'd like to share my work, I can go to Seesaw, Add, Post Student Work, and I would choose Upload, Photos and Videos, choose a desired work. I'm a check mark. I'm the sample student. Check mark. And my work is now available in Seesaw.